Okay, this is a short tour. This is the front of my house, my garage area. Now I'm just walking up the steps and I'm showing you my porch area, which is pretty decent size. I'll just bring you down so you can see like the front part a little bit before we go inside the house. Okay, this is my hallway. It's a long pathway hallway. This is the first living room I have that we really don't be in, kind of for show. It got very, very, very tall ceilings, and a fan. Really, really, really nice big room. Plan on putting a TV up in there when the time comes. Okay, that's what it looks like inside the house with a door. There's 2 windows right there. And now we're going to just walk up the hallway so you can see the length of the hallway. To the right is the garage door. And then this is our kitchen, a very, very big kitchen. Very spacious, very big kitchen. Plenty of cabinet space. Gas stove, a lot of cabinet space. Now to the right is the pantry and to the left is the laundry room. And this is just another sneak peek of the first living room. Tall ceiling. Very nice setup. Now I'm going to bring you into my dining room. I have 3 bar stools that sit like on the edge of there. You can sit up there and eat and everything like that. Nice setup. And then we have a long dining room, brown dining room with a table. 6 chairs. Pretty decent size. One of my videos that I did. Also, we have this sectional that we just purchased recently, and that's our picture that we took when we first got together, me and my husband. And this it really, really adds to the room, the sectional. So very pleased with that. This is our master bathroom. In here we have a stand-up shower and a tub, and then we have a his and her sink. I'm gonna bring you kind of step back a little bit so you can get a very good picture view of the bathroom. Very, very tall ceilings, very tall ceilings. That's the plus of this house. It has very high, tall ceilings. And pictures of my little baby boys.